Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make those beautiful paper flowers for which you don't need something special. I'm going to use wrapping paper, but before I tell you what I'm going to do and how to make them, first things first, please subscribe for my channel because it will help me to develop my channel more. Also, like this video and watch the rest of the videos because they are going to be very helpful for you. So let's get started. I hope that this tutorial is going to be a short one. So as I said, you are going to need brad, of course, pencil, and this is very important one. This is cookie cutter that I have from many years, since little, actually, if I have to be correct. So this cookie cutter, I'm using it to make those beautiful flowers. So if you have cookie cutter in shape of flower, use it. It's going to be very helpful. Let me just show you what I'm going to do. As I said, I'm going to use papers that are dyed. Actually, I made those I paint them because they were wrapping papers. You can see from this side they were wrapping papers, so I just wanted to save them and to use them again. Probably in some of the videos in the future I can show you how I make those or something like this, like visual appearing beautiful wrapping paper. But this is not the tutorial for this paper today. It is very easy. I'm going to use coffee dyed, no, actually this is black tea dyed paper that I made it before a few years, and I put it somewhere and I find it. There were a stack of such papers and I find them, and I'm happy because I found them, because I was wondering where are they. Never mind. Okay, I'm going to use my cookie cutter right now, and I'm going to use my pencil. And basically you are going to draw the shape of your cookie cutter in this paper. From this part probably you won't see it because it's very shiny outside. Let me just show you. I hope that you can see that I made the shape of the cookie cutter. And I'm going to use this beautiful paper from one old book that I have. There it is. Let me just remove it and put it aside. Okay, let me just cut out the flower. As you can see, I'm not cutting it perfectly. If you want, you can cut it. Okay, I'm done. And I'm going to remove with this roller if there is some lines of my pencil. There are a lot of lines. Okay, and I'm going to put them together. And I'm going to put the broth here. And I'm done. Let me just like this looks better. So this is my flower, as you can see. Let me just show you all the rest of the flowers that I made. I think that they look very beautiful. If you're curious, I can make a video how I use those wrapping papers and made them so interesting, like this one, because as you can see, I don't know, can you see it? I used a lot of golden paint. Let me just show you. There it is. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. One more time, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also watch the rest of my videos and like this one video. So I hope that you stay healthy and happy and you have amazing day and amazing weekend. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.